Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options, and today all the country pairs OTC. Let's have a trading weekend. We are gonna open positions for the maximum deposit amount as usual. We got $27 on the balance. We trade on the 1 minute time frame as usual, guys. I'll show you today's indicators. The first one is the Bollinger Bands and the second one is a stochastic oscillator. What concerns the settings, set the period to 13 on the Bollinger Band and the deviation to save change. And let's make the stochastic a bit less price sensitive, set the period to 20, the overbought zone is gonna be 70. And the oversold zone is gonna be 30. Okay. We will use the settings today, and let's begin our trading session and find the most promising trade entry. So let's analyze the market. We got OTC today, and it means that we are gonna have the maximum payout rate. And let's take a look. We are counting on the stochastic. So here I guess we should open a short position. I'll point out the workspace and explain the trade entry, guys. Look, the downtrend is dominating on the stochastic. This is the peak, and we are expecting the reversal, the touch of the overbought zone. Here we also see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. Look at this long wick. It could be a potential signal of the trend reversal, but in this case, after this correction, it indicates the continuation of the downtrend. That's why we opened the short position. And as you can see, the price started going down exactly as we expected. The candle has a long wick. It tells us that downward dynamics is expected. There are several seconds, and the first position hadn't closed in profit, guys. Let's update the trade amount and find the next counter pair. Look at this downward volatility, and basically we are gonna play out ahead of the market. And let's open a long position right now. Considering the price dynamics and its volatility, the movement goes down on the stochastic, but we don't look at that. It's more important to point out the support zone here. The touch is happening, and I believe we are going to see the correction. The launch candle was formed here, that's why we opened the long. There is also the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. We are playing ahead of the market. The breakout is even here, and the breakout has simply happened, guys. The price is heading upwards. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing. The support zone played out perfectly. The local low was updated, and the price started going up. As simple as that, guys. And our position hadn't closed with profit. Let's update the trade amount and carry on the trading session. So here we have to play out the continuation of the trend. There is a downward dynamics on the chart. We see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. We also see that the moving average on the stochastic at the top around the level 19. And we release that the reversal is about to happen, and we open a short right after the correction. I think this is a very good trade entry. And yep, the price has gone down. There was nothing complicated. We relied on 3 signals. First we monitor the correction, then we watch the stochastic, and finally the touch of the upper boundary. So all the signals flashed and we opened the position as simple as said, guys. And our position is in profits again. Let's not drag this out and carry on the trading session. Find the next counter pair. So we are gonna find the most profitable trade entry, and I already see good trade entry. And let's open a short here. I'll point out the workspace. We have a strong downward dynamics on the chart. The stochastic is at the bottom. Also there is a low volatility movement, small pullbacks take place, but in this case the candle went too high. We are playing ahead of the market, after which the price should go lower and update its low. We're expecting to see the breakdown at the end. Like I said, we play ahead of the market, and I think opening a short is the best option here. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing. We are waiting for the breakdown and we will be in profits. And as you see, the breakdown has simply happened. The position is in profit exactly as I predicted. There is no stopping here. Let's carry on the trading session. Change the counter pair. Let's continue analyzing and see what we got here. Look at this long week, and we instantly open a long here. We see that the stochastic is facing upwards. There is a downward dynamics, but the principle of trade entry is a bit different here. We see this dump here, but we see a lot of pullbacks and correction in the past, and basically we are playing ahead of the market. We see the touch of the support, after which the price should go up. We are definitely gonna see some upward dynamics, and the breakout is expected at the end, and the position should be in profits. And let's watch, guys. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing. Potentially we could have seen a small reversal here, because there are a lot of correction and pullbacks on the chart. Anyway, our position had closed in profits. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. So this is our signal, and let's open a short position right away. Actually, we got 2 signals here. First of all, we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. Then we see that the stochastic crosses the overbought zone. This is number 2. And in general, there is a downtrend on the chart, and this upward dynamics is correction. Actually, we have one more signal here. This is short one, and now the pullback is over, and we are gonna see some downward dynamics here. And that's exactly what's happening now. The breakdown has simply happened, and this massive wick tells us that the downtrend should be continued. The stochastic crosses zone 70, and we already see this massive breakdown. Basically the correction was over at the level, and there we go. Another position is in profit, guys. So let's refresh the page and take a look, guys. What do we got here? Very promising pump. That's why we should open a short position, guys. We've already traded this counter pair, and if we happen to open more position on this one, they'll be short ones. Well, Our sell signal, basically we see strong downward dynamics and the main signal here is a pullback and this touch of the low boundary of the channel. Basically it's ordinary things. For this kind of movement the pullback has to be over, that's why opening a short is the best possible option here, and that's exactly what we did. The breakdown is gained moments, there was nothing complicated here, we just nailed the movement in general and we understand this is clear downtrend. And another position has been closed in profits. So let's find the next counter pair, guys, and carry on the trading session. So we see the touch here and probably let's open a short position. The price should go lower and let's select the workspace. Let me explain this trade entry. We see this long shadow which contributed to the opening. There is a downward trend on the chart. Here we see the pullback, but it should be over by now considering the shadow. That's why we opened the short. The price dynamics is more downwards and it should go lower. This is exactly what's happening. That's why we opened the short position. Take a look at the first long weak candle, and here is the second one. It indicates the continuation of the trend and this was the main signal. That's why our positions have been closed in profits, guys. There is no starting here. Let's find another counter pair. So it's time to open 4 long position. We are playing ahead of the market. I'll point out the workspace. Quite good trade entry. The main signal is the touch of this massive support zone. Here is this first rebound. Here is the second one. And the same thing is expected here. Because there was the first touch, the second, and here is the third touch, the double bottom pattern has been formed here. And if you look at the stochastic, the moving average don't cross this level from bottom to top. It has already crossed the oversold zone and we are playing ahead of the market. We are expecting the breakout here. And the correction has already happened here, and this correction is typical for this kind of movement. That's why we open the long. And yep, guys, take a look at this breakout, guys. Everything is super simple. That's why our position end up in profits. So let's open our final position. It's order to consolidate the profits, and let's change the counter pair. Let's continue nailing what's here. We open a short without hesitation, very good trade entry, guys. I'll point out the workspace. Like in the previous trade, we released that the stochastic has already crossed the overbought zone, and we are playing ahead of the market. We see good downward dynamics here, and this is the first signal. Here we see good pullback from the zone. This is a second signal. Here is the touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and this is the third signal. And we observe the long weak candle, which indicates the continuation of the downtrend, and this is another signal. That's why we opened the short position, and we can already see small breakdown. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing. The price is holding at this level now. I'm fine with that. And yep, our positions have been closed in profits. Actually, some of them end up with 0. Oh, it's okay, no big deal. So then let's continue the trading session. Let's open 9 position. It's ordered to reach the perfect outcome, and let's refresh the page. Okay, let's carry on the trading session and find the next counter pair. Oh, what do we got here? Here we go, another good trade entry. Look at this massive correction. I'm expecting it to go a bit lower. And let's open our long position, guys. So we play ahead of the market, guys. I'm expecting to see breakout in the end on the last second, and we're actually going to be in profits. The upward dynamics was too strong here, and take a look at the touch of the price corridor. We got two signals here, this correction and the touch of the low boundary of the channel, and theoretically we release that a good price dynamics take place here, and we open long playing ahead of the market. So it's right around 15 seconds left the closing. A good position entry. We already see good breakout, and basically I think these positions should be closed in profits. And yep, all the position end up in profits. There we go, guys. This is a perfect outcome I was telling you about. 1 minute time frame. This is really important to keep track of time, because our position was just close in profits. We made some good profit and the price started going down, guys. And if you open a bit later, I'd be disaster. But we've managed to get the right timing and we're in a huge profit, guys. And let's get down to withdrawal. Let's better withdraw $17,500. Press the continue button, and there we go. Our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen where it's done as usual. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something useful from this video, so it should be clear for you that it's possible to make some good money easily. There is nothing complicated about it. Thanks for watching. Press the like buttons, subscribe to the channel, leave the comments down below. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.